Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I will show you how to make liquid hand wash at home. But please, as you do this production, take the following precautions. Avoid direct contact of any chemicals with the skin or eye. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. The chemicals required to produce liquid hand wash are as follows. The first one is nitrosol and the second one is soda ash. The third one is sodium tripolyphosphate, also known as STPP, and the fourth one is sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS. The fifth one is glycerine, and this is followed by the sixth chemical called sulphonic acid. The seventh chemical is foaming booster, and the eighth chemical is formalin. The ninth chemical is perfume, and the last one is color. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 10 liters of liquid hand wash. Nitrosol 50 gram, soda ash 150 gram, STPP 80 gram, SLS 30 gram, glycerine 60 ml, sulphonic 1/4 liter, foaming booster 1/4 liter, formalin 30 ml, perfume 30 ml, and color a tablespoon. Now let me show you these chemicals one by one and then we go into the mixing of the chemicals. This is nitrosol and this one here is soda ash. This is STPP and this is SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate. This is glycerine and this is the color we're going to use. This is sulphonic acid and this is foaming booster. This is perfume and this is formalin. Now pour some water into an empty bucket and dissolve the nitrosol. Keep stirring until the nitrosol dissolves. Make sure you stir properly and do not allow the nitrosol to form lumps. Now dissolve your soda ash and add to the solution. Dissolve also your STPP and add to the solution. Now you can dissolve your SLS and add to the solution. Add your sulphonic and foaming booster. You can add your glycerine now. You can add your perfume and formalin. Now you can add your color to it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your liquid hand wash is ready for use. Liquid hand wash can be used in homes, in the toilet, in the office, and in the restaurant. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng or visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.